Okay. Before anyone else comments, bro, where's the tutorial? Here it is, alright? I'm finally making it. Y'all been asking how I make those chaotic rants that somehow make sense. So I'll show you everything. The scripting, the AI voice, the editing, and yes, the secret sauce that makes it sound like I'm losing my mind at 3 a.m. And don't worry, this is a long-form video, not a short. So grab your snacks, because I got no free time tomorrow, and this thing's dropping tonight. Alright, before I show you how to make these rants, watch this first. This one's the sped-up, then slowed-down version. Perfect timing, chaotic, but funny as hell. Roll the clip. Why is it that breathing is totally fine until I remember that I can breathe? Bro. My body was doing perfectly fine, just minding its own business. Then my brain's like, hey, remember you can control your breathing? And now I'm out here manually inhaling and exhaling like a broken vacuum. Now this one's with an AI voice changer. Louder, crazier, like it drank 5 cups of coffee. Both hit different, but it's all about which chaos fits your vibe.
More annoying than mosquitoes. Like, bro, I'm just trying to relax, watch one video, and suddenly... Have you ever wanted to make passive income from your phone? No, I just wanted to watch a guy miss a backflip.
Alright, now it's time for my secret weapon, Chatgpt. This thing literally writes my chaos. Like, bro, half my brain cells come from here. Watch this. I just type an idea, and boom, instant rant ready for destruction. Alright, so after like 10 minutes of overthinking, I picked number 8, because it just screams chaos and regret. Exactly my vibe. But hey, you can pick whatever fits your content best, alright? Like if you want funny, sad, or just straight up unhinged energy, go for it. Now if it's too long, you can just type it again, shorter it. And yes, TikTok rants. Now if you got your perfect script, you can step aside that script for now. Alright, now open up Capcut and drop in your background clip. I usually just record some random obby gameplay, like, it doesn't even matter which one, as long as it's moving, it just makes the rant look more alive, you know? So yeah, go record some obby runs or parkour clips. Make it look like your character's having an existential crisis while jumping blocks. Alright, now I just drag the obby clip in and change the aspect ratio to the TikTok frame. You know, the 9:16 one. Because if you forget that, congratulations, you just made a horizontal PowerPoint for ants. Make sure it fills the whole screen, we're not out here editing like it's 2012. So I went back to Chatgpt, copied the whole script, right? I pasted it into the text-to-speech, and then boom, it hits me with maximum 500 characters. Like, bro, I'm literally trying to make people laugh, not write an essay. So yeah, I had to cut it in half, take the best lines, and then try again. Finally worked this time. Like, thank you. Finally cooperating. And I picked the AI voice Adam, because he sounds like that one dude who argues with you in every rant, but still makes it funny. Trust me, pick Adam if you want that chaotic energy. He just makes everything sound 10 times louder and unhinged. Alright, so after I clicked on the audio, I went straight to speed and set it to 1.5x, because normal speed is just too peaceful for a rant. Then I changed the audio pitch a bit, just to make it sound more chaotic and funny, like it's me but having a breakdown with energy. And yes, this AI voice you're hearing right now, it's literally using that same combo. 1.5x speed plus the pitch change. That's how you make it sound like you've had 4 cups of coffee and 0 sleep while ranting about life. So after that, I pasted the second half of the text. Yeah, the one I had to cut earlier because Capcut decided 500 characters was enough. Like, bro, let me rant in peace. Anyway, I just copied the rest from Chatgpt and pasted it in as a new text-to-speech clip. And yes, do the same thing again. Same AI voice, same 1.5x speed, and don't forget to check that change audio pitch too. Now boom, both clips sound like I'm losing my mind. But in HD, alright. Now after everything's done, just export it. Don't even care if it's 140 FPS or filmed with a Nokia from 2008, bro, it still works. You don't need 4K cinematic nonsense for rants. Trust me. Now this is where the fun begins. Remember from the intro? When it was like fast, then slowed down, then boom, fast again? Yeah, this is the part where we do that. But first, export it. Don't skip that, or else your PC might explode trying to render chaos mid-edit. Now once that's done, create a new project again. Make sure it's TikTok size or 9:16, you already know the drill. Next, click overlay, then select the video you just exported. After that, drag it down. Don't worry, it doesn't matter where it is for now. Now here's the fun part, the fast, slow, fast trick everyone keeps asking me about. Select a voice part that's really catchy, something that hits or sounds funny. Go maybe 2 to 3 seconds before that line, then cut right where the catchy part ends. Now drag that last clip down and zoom in. You'll see that tiny little line on the clip, tap it, hit speed, then choose curve, and create a custom. Follow this graph because trust me, this is the secret sauce. This is the curve most people use to make that chaotic fast, slow, fast timing that makes your rant hit different. Alright, now remember that clip I told you to drag down earlier? Yeah, drag it back up. Now we're gonna cut like a 3 to 4 second part from that clip. Doesn't have to be perfect, just around that range. Once you've got that piece, do the same thing as before. But this time it's a little different. See this part? This is where the voice speed starts increasing. Like the AI voice just suddenly drank 3 cups of coffee. Alright, now do the exact same thing for the other clips. Just repeat it. Same process, same curve, nothing else fancy. Just keep that chaotic rhythm going, fast, slow, till the whole thing feels alive. That's it. Don't overthink it. Alright, now here's the final result. The fast, slow, fast effect in action. Bro, my phone hates me. Every time I need it, it just dies. 100% battery, boom.
Gone. Like, nah, I'm tired too.
And that storage full message? Full of what? I deleted half my life for you. Memes, screenshots, my dog's face, still says
not enough space.
Then the Wi-Fi.
Oh, it's fine when I'm watching memes. But the moment I try to do something important, Connection lost.
Bro, are you
Serious?
an autocorrect?
I type, I'm on my way. It's like, you're on your whale.
Why would I be on a
Whale, bro. I swear my phone's not
broken?
It's just toxic. See how it hits perfectly with the voice? That's the chaotic energy we're going for. It makes the rant feel alive, like the AI is having a meltdown mid-sentence. Simple, right? But it makes a huge difference. Alright, so first let's add the Vine boom. Yeah, that one sound effect that makes everything 10 times funnier for no reason. You don't need 5 different effects, just that single boom and your video's already certified chaotic. Bro, Now let's arrange the background effects. This is where it gets fun. So what I do is pick the designated clip, the one where the punchline or funniest line hits. That's where I start adding all the memes. You don't just spam random memes everywhere, alright? Place them exactly when your AI voice drops a funny line or gets dramatic. That's your signal. And yeah, follow the rhythm. If the Vine boom sound hits, that's your cue to make the chaos look intentional. Organized chaos, remember? It looks wild, but it's perfectly timed. Alright, now for the visuals, the memes. This is the part that brings the chaos to life. So I grab random memes, cats, emojis, basically anything that looks like it came straight from a group chat at 3 a.m. But here's the trick. Don't just toss them around. Zoom them in when the voice gets louder, shake them when the Vine boom hits, and spin them when something stupid happens.
gone. I'm tired.
Now this next part is totally optional, alright? You can add a little animation like fade in and fade out between your clips. It just gives that smooth transition vibe, like your rant actually had a budget. But if you don't want to bother, that's fine too. Chaos looks good raw sometimes. Alright, now it's meme time. The best part. Start adding all your meme pictures, just like I showed earlier. And remember, always, always drop those memes right when the sound effect hits. Because when the boom hits and the meme pops up, that's instant comedy gold. It makes your rant 10 times funnier and way more fun to watch. Now for the captions. Click text, then auto-generate and hit generate. After that, let's add the background music. It makes the whole rant way more entertaining. Here's the one I always use. It's called Chopin. Just search it up in the sounds, you'll find it right away. Now for the caption style, just click one of the text boxes, then hit styles. I usually pick this one since it's my favorite, but honestly, you can choose whatever fits your rant's vibe. Now you can finally export the video. But hey, if you don't have those effects because you're not using Capcut Pro or some modded APK, don't worry, just screen record the whole thing. Then open a new project, set it back to TikTok size, and crop only the video like this. Easy fix, trust me. Then export it now and you're done. Alright, now for the second style, the louder one. Same process, just copy and paste your script from Chatgpt into Capcut, but this time don't export it. No double edit here. Pick the same AI voice, boost the volume, and raise the pitch a bit so it sounds like your AI just drank 5 energy drinks. This style's all about chaos and volume. If your speakers aren't crying, you didn't do it right. Alright, now for the second style, the louder one. But first, add captions, because trust me, this AI voice is gonna be loud, and you won't even understand a single word without it. Here's how. Crop a small part of your audio, cut both sides, click that clip, then hit voice effects, broken mic, and boom. That's your chaos recipe right there. Boom, gone. Now just repeat everything, add your sound effects, background music, memes, everything, and that's it. Congratulations, your AI now sounds like it's arguing with a blender. And if you don't have all that fancy pro stuff, don't even worry about it. Just screen record the whole thing, make a new project, drop that clip in, crop it, and export. Boom, done. See? You don't need premium tools when you've got premium chaos. And that's pretty much it. That's literally how I make all my rants. If you made it this far, congrats. You survived pure chaos and probably lost a few brain cells with me. But hey, now you can make your own chaos too. Go ahead, make the internet question your sanity. Anyway, I gotta go touch some grass before I lose my mind editing again. Oh, and if this helped, maybe drop a sub or something. Because trust me, the next rant, it's gonna be even louder, even dumber, and 10 times more unhinged. Alright, I'm out. See you in the next rant.